Hello, it's me, Graham, here again. Currently I am off of work until they decide as to whether where I work is an essential place that needs opening or not. So that leaves me with a bit of spare time. Luckily for you, that means you get another unboxing. So I picked this up the other day. Here it is. There you go. Carpe Diem, the fairly popular Stefan Feld game. I'm a big fan of Stefan Feld. Things like the classic Trajan and Taj Mahal are amongst my favourite games. I like his kind of style of multiple ways to earn points and some of the strange sort of mind-melting mechanics that he manages to get into his games. So this game is for 2 to 4 players, so a regular kind of player count. And it reckons playing time somewhere between 45 to 75 minutes. So, with no more ado, we'll crack this bad boy open and we'll have a look. Here we go. So, obviously, initial kind of thoughts looking at the box is, I think it's probably clearly going to be a fairly veneered theme kind of Euro game, which I'm a sucker for. I like those. It doesn't need to have overly exciting artwork for me to enjoy things like that. I quite enjoy Mediterranean trading and those kind of things. So there you go. Now we've got the wrapper off without the light shining on it. You can have a look at the box there, and obviously you can see it was a nomination for the 2019 Kenner Spiel Awards, produced by Ravensburger, who obviously I think are currently putting out or had put out previously Castle of Burgundy, which is another Stefan Feld classic. So we'll take the lid off the box and see what we see inside. So, oh, I've got new board game smell. There you go. If we lift that up, you can see how it all comes packaged. Okay, and we'll go through some of these components a piece at a time for you. So, collection of baggies. We'll chuck those in there. Okay. So we've got some wooden player tokens here by the looks of things. And we have got, there you go, fish. I'm assuming these are grapes. I'm not going to go through every one, so you needn't worry too much. We have the, looks like the obviously representative of the players, I assume. There you go, meeples of some kind. Oh, and looks like we've got chickens in there as well. There you go. Look at that. Okay. So we've got a good selection there. Nice bright colours. Again, I don't know exactly the purpose of these in the game yet. I know very little about the game actually. It's just I brought it clearly on the premise it was a Stefan Feld game, so I couldn't be wrong. Okay. Selection of discs, which I assume are in the players' colours there. Red, blue, green and yellow. Nothing fancy about those, they're just a baggy of wooden discs. Then we have 2 packs of cards. First one, if we can find an opening on it, I'll tell you what, let's resort to the trusty knife. I'll try not to take my fingers off. So the first card here, appear to be, again, fairly reasonable stock. So that kind of thing. And some of these are printed with, I assume these are victory points on the reverse. So again, not really sure what purpose they serve in the game. I'm sure it all will become apparent when I read the rules. Next packet of cards here. Here we go. Oh look, I can see the opening tab on these. There you go. That was easier, wasn't it? Okay, and these, there you go. Again, same kind of stock. They're not linen printed or anything, but they are a reasonable kind of thickness of card. And they look like they're nicely printed in colour there. So I assume this relates to goods for victory points, something like that. But I'm sure all become, as I say, apparent when we get through the rules. There you go, that kind of thing. We've got 2 packs of cards in there. The all important rules. Okay, so set of rules in German. I'm going to need those, unless I happen to learn German in the next week. Set of rules in English. French. Don't need those either. There you go. And let's have a little look. So, introduction, Rome, 1 BC, influential patricians. You're set to improve your city districts by making profitable buildings and beautiful landscapes. Making sure to adhere to the motto, Carpe Diem, seize the day, by harvesting grapes, catching fish and selling your wares on the market. Okay, so, now this is what I like about these Ravensburger type productions that we get with my original copy of Castles of Burgundy. So you've got the main rules section there, which is spot on, but then a little reminder box here, because sometimes, as you know, it might be a few weeks, months, or perhaps even longer before you sort of return to a game after initially learning it. And these little sort of side notes assist in getting the game running quickly again without having to read all the game text. Okay, so nice clear looking font on there. Looks like there's quite a few colour diagrams and images on there with examples. There you go, some examples there. So I think how many pages have we got here? 9, 10, 11, 12 pages of rules. So I think that's going to be a sort of I'm assuming it's going to be a sort of light to middleweight Euro style game. That kind of layout. Okay, assuming this is the main board. See if we can fold this out. So it was double printed on both sides. I don't want the back side, it's really the front side you want to see. There you go. So set it the right way round so you can see it. There you go. Have a look at that. So again, nice sturdy stock. I'm assuming that there are going to be cards or tiles laid on there, which we're going to be choosing some kind of round or sequencing order on the bottom there, and a place on this side here for placing, I'm assuming, goods, cards, that kind of thing. Okay, so again, not outstanding artwork, but I think it's going to be practical. There's some nice sort of building pictures of, you see there, line drawings of sort of architectural buildings. That's cool. Okay, and then we're into the cardboard part of it. So we've got punch boards. One. And again, yeah, I think it looks as if it's printed well. There doesn't seem to be any offset on those at the moment, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lot of cardboard in here. 5, 6. Where's more? All the same. 7, 8, 9, 10. These must be player boards. 11, 12, 13 printed punch boards, and they all appear to be printed both sides. There. The player boards appear to be, yeah, just a little bit thinner stock than the tokens appear to be printed on. Let's see if I can get some of these close up so you can see. So these are a little bit heavier. I know you can see a sort of thickness of it there. There you go, and that's the kind of quality of the print we're getting on there. So again, once more, I'm looking forward to getting my head round this one and trying to get it to the table. Maybe I might have a little bit more time in the next week or so. We'll just see how things go. And again, what I'll do, I'll follow up at some point after I've had a chance to read it and play it and see how we're getting along with it and what my kind of thoughts are. So hopefully, if you're interested in that, we can tune in again sometime and we'll meet up here online. But in the meantime, please keep yourself safe, keep yourself virus free, and I hope you'll get to play all the games. Take care, and hopefully we'll see you at a games meet soon. Bye bye for now.